Hey everyone, another Midnight Road Garage tool review. Today we are checking out this tire repair kit from Amazon. Stay tuned. So here's how the tire repair kit comes from Amazon. So you can see it is made by Boulder Tools. It's the tire repair kit professional grade lifetime warranty. So that's good. So I guess this is from a company in Boulder, Colorado. Okay, no, made in China, and the company's actually out of Concord, California. So not Boulder, Colorado. Guess that's a marketing scam, but that's okay. Let's check this thing. Nice case. It's heavy duty. Let's see what we got inside. All right. So we've got tire repair instructions. They got a QR code. They've got a website where you can go, I guess, get more instructions. Although these seem to be pretty clear and on spot. This is exactly how I plug a tire. So let's see what else we've got in this kit. Alright, so it does appear really to come with everything you need to plug a tire. I've been plugging tires since I was about 15 when I worked at the gas station. Working at night at a gas station, the owner there said, yeah, any tire plugs you do, keep it. So it was always nice to make $5 off every tire plug. That should tell you how long ago it was I worked at a gas station. But yeah, so you got needle nose. You got a little razor knife. I used to just use regular razor blade, but a little razor knife is nice. It's got a tire pressure gauge. It's got a little box with let's see, Allen wrenches for working on the actual plug tools, some caps, valve stem tool, and some valve stem needles. So that's nice. So a lot of stuff in there. It comes with, look at the stack of these. Now you can see there's one missing because I actually used it not that long ago. But that's quite a lot of plugs. This is basically a jar of Vaseline. Makes it easier to put the tire plugs on. So you got a reaming tool. It's really nice heft to it. I also like that you can see the Allen screws here. That this is replaceable. So if you bend this or mess this up somehow, you can buy a replacement. I'm assuming you can buy a replacement from Boulder Tools. You don't have to buy the entire kit again. I did notice, yeah. See, here's for the actual plug. It comes with a spare, so that's really nice because sometimes you get a little overzealous and break those guys. This is my favorite kind of plug tool. The cheap ones that you buy, the little kits that you get, pretty much anywhere. Any auto parts store sells them. They do not have this piece. All they have is this. And what the greatest thing about this is you put your plug in and then you do this and hold this guy down and pull out. And instead of having to use your fingers to hold the stupid plug in, this holds the plug in place so it doesn't just come right out of the hole. So this is it's pretty decent. For the money, I highly recommend it. If you have to plug a lot of tires, this is a good thing. This is a decent one to start with. Worth the money. If you do this every day, at a gas station. I mean, I don't know, you might want to get like a Snap-on or a Matco or something like this. But if you just are, if you're like me and just for some reason run over a lot of nails and just want to plug your tires yourself, and you plug 2 or 3 or 4 more tires a year like I seem to end up doing, get one of these. It's pretty decent. Link in the description for where to get from Amazon. Thanks. So there you have it. That's what comes with the Boulder Tools tire repair kit. I recommend getting one. I'm sure you're getting tired of putting air in your tire every other day anyway, so buy one of these and fix that tire you've been meaning to fix. And be sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.